John Muir Lodge is a national park lodge that is located in Kings Canyon National Park. Its location is at the edge of Sequoia National Park, so it's a great place to stay if you are wanting to see both of these national parks, which are located very close together, and usually most people do both of those national parks at the same time. So let's enter the lobby area of this hotel. It's not quite as grand as some other famous national park lodges, but it definitely does have a great location. The lobby has tons of seating area in order to eat. It has a lovely fireplace, as you can see, some great artwork that is showcasing the area and what you are going to see. There's a quick little snack area that we'll show in more detail in just a moment. This is going to be the check-in desk. One of the great features is that they have a lovely library full of books for anybody to use, as well as board games and puzzles. That was one of the fun things about the lobby area. They had a puzzle going on, and that was just really nice to enjoy while in the lobby, because that's where you go to get some Wi-Fi service. Now, they do have this little kind of snack area. This is where the microwave is and some hot water. You're going to see some vending machine, well, not really vending machines, but a vending area. This is open and available to anybody that is in the national parks. It's really one of the very few places that you can find something to eat while you're here. So keep in mind, if you see a review saying that there's like a snack stand at the lodge, that is what it is. So the great thing about the lodge is I love the rocking chairs that were out on the porch. This is actually pretty nice to be rocking in the rocking chairs. However, you are overlooking the parking lot. And these are little cabins that you can rent as well. They're not quite as luxurious as the hotel is. At the end of each level, there is this porch area where you can look out. Again, this is going to be the parking that you are seeing kind of in the video, but there is rocking chairs, and it is a really nice place to just be outside and be surrounded by all these super tall trees. And if you continue down that road, that is where you're going to walk to Grant Grove Village. That is where the restaurant is. I just want to make it clear that when they say there's an on-site restaurant, it's actually about a quarter of a mile walk with just a slight incline. So keep that in mind. All right, so let's go ahead and take a room tour. This is a very basic room. Not a lot of frills. You know, it gets the job done. And it did not have air conditioning, which if you've seen any of my National Park Lodge videos in the past, we were here during an exceptionally hot portion of the summer, and I'm just not a fan of national park lodges without air conditioning, especially during record heat. It's just really hard to get some good sleep when it's so hot in the room at night. They do have a tower fan that you are seeing right there in the corner to help cool you off. We had a view overlooking like a very small road. It was quite peaceful and quite nice. Always nice to look out the window and see these towering trees that the national parks are known for. There is a small refrigerator, as you'll see right there, that is very useful for keeping water cold, which is lovely if it is very hot outside. And again, the amenities are basic, nothing that is too fancy. I'm not sure if I mentioned that this hotel was built in 1998, so it's relatively on the little bit more of a modern side than some of the national park lodges that you will find as far as in the design. This is where your closet area is going to be, and then we will show you around the bathroom area. So this is just one of the many national park lodges that we have stayed at. We try to do a video review of each one. I'll put that playlist below, and you can be sure to see more of our room tours and property tours of the great places to stay in America's national parks. We actually do video tours of all of the really cool hotels that we go to, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, and you'll get even more video reviews of places to stay in America.